Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival. And joining me for this segment, we have Annabelle Huang. She's a managing partner at Amber Group. We're going to discuss how blockchain technology can potentially unlock investment opportunities for women and other marginalized communities. Annabelle, it is great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks. And when we think about women and marginalized communities and the challenges that they have, and as we're redefining traditional gender boundaries, what continues to plague the industry?
I think from a market participant perspective, there's sort of generally lack of representation for crypto players that are led by female or teams that are led by female, and I think a lot of us are working to change that and to address that. And on the sort of the user level, then I think crypto or blockchain in general, it is open access, it's meant to be decentralized and inclusive, and we've seen that happening around the world for historically underbanked or unbanked population, including women or marginalized minorities. So from a technology perspective, it's already being addressed, but I think it's also up to the different players, different platforms out there to continue to sort of propel this technology so that everybody in the world can access it.
What's the social impact of digital assets and blockchain technology beyond crypto finance?
I think in terms of use cases, the application layer, I think of blockchain as the underlying technology that powers everything Web3. And in terms of Web3 participation, we're looking at on the base of NFT, then includes a lot of the different players that are working on the creator content, GameFi in general, that is inclusive of both men and women creators. And that in itself has been more inclusive than maybe we're looking at just the financial application of digital assets in general.
What strategies does Amber Group employ specifically to drive Web3 ecosystem development and build trust and confidence in the long term?
So that's something that we've been doing over the last 5 years. Started in Hong Kong, now we moved to Singapore, continue to be compliant, to be security first, compliance first, to continue to build the institutional grade services so that we can offer connectivity to Web3, to digital assets, to users globally. So that's something that we're doing, as well as providing the educational materials to institutional investors, to individual investors, continue to build upon the space. And I think we're still at the nascent stage. We have not come of age yet, and that's up to all of us to really continue to build upon that.
All right, Annabelle, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me throughout the Singapore Fintech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.